Yes, so does the size really matter, isn't it? So the thing is that take these five fingers, okay? तो ये उंगलियां है. So every what I would say, every finger has a different length, but उनका functions तो same रहता है ना. So in spite of having different dimensions of the fingers being different, every finger is having functionality. So this is very important. Second thing is that you take anthropological dimensions of any people. हर एक की हाइट अलग रहती है, एंथ्रोपोलॉजिकल डायमेंशंस, कलाई अलग रहती है, या वेट अलग रहता है, फीट का साइज अलग रहता है. सो उसका साइज का उनके स्टैमिना, एंड्योरेंस, इफेक्टिविटी, एफिशिएंसी, प्रोडक्टिविटी, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी के उसके ऊपर कुछ भी निर्भर नहीं रहता. If a person's feet size is more, that doesn't mean that he's a long athletic runner, isn't it? Does it mean like that? No, it doesn't mean like that. It doesn't mean at all. Okay. And even if you take say for example, eyes. So some people have a chinky eyes. So that doesn't mean that they happen to see less. Or if somebody is having big eyes, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उसको बाहर का ज़्यादा दिखता है या अंदर का ज़्यादा दिखता है. दैट मीन्स समथिंग लाइक अंतर्मुख होके वो ज्ञानी हो गया. डेफिनेटली नॉट लाइक दैट. और इफ यू टेक फॉर एग्जांपल, ये कान ले लो, तो कान का ऐसा नहीं है ना कि छोटे कान है तो ज़्यादा आई मीन कम सुनाई देता है, बड़े कान है तो ज़्यादा सुनाई देता है. No, not at all, nothing like that. So, what I want to say is that does it really matter? So, it doesn't matter. The size of any organ, okay, or any body part has nothing to do with its body function, whether physiological or anything. So, similarly, the size of the penis has nothing to do for the sexual physiological functions. That should be kept in mind.